Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I will be sharing one of the favorite recipes for eggplant lovers. I want to share an eggplant fritter recipe that is very light and flavorful, without absorbing much oil. Let's peel 5 eggplants, approximately 800 grams. Dice them as you see in the video. Take about 1½ cups of water into a pot. When it reaches boiling point, add the eggplants. Cover the pot and simmer on medium heat, stirring occasionally until the eggplants soften. Remove the softened eggplants from the stove and drain them in a colander. After they cool down, squeeze out as much excess water as you can in the palm of your hand, as shown in the video. Add about 100 grams of crumbled white cheese over the squeezed eggplant. A few sprigs of finely chopped parsley. 2 eggs. 1 cup of flour. I added about half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 packet of baking powder and mix well. Add about 1 to 1½ cups of oil into a wide, non-stick pan. And, as you see in the video, take 1 tablespoon of fritter mixture per fritter. Press lightly on top. Fry both sides on medium heat, turning occasionally. Transfer the fried fritters to a plate lined with paper towels or napkins. Serve hot. As you can see in the video, it absorbed no oil at all. It turned out to be a very delicious fritter. I am sure that if you are an eggplant lover, you will really like these fritters. To those who will try it, bon appétit in advance. If you watched and liked my video up to this point, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.